Hello student, in this video we will see chapter 2 of unit trigonometry, and the name of the chapter 2 is trigonometric ratio of standard angles. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज पढ़ा, इसमें हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो कुछ स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स के पढ़ेंगे. चैप्टर 1 में हमने एंगल का नेम देखा था, थीटा, अल्फा, बीटा, गामा. नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर द मेजरमेंट ऑफ द एंगल इज गिवन and the standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Clear? So first we find the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. So for finding out the ratios of 45 degree, we take triangle ABC, right angle at B, and this ABC triangle is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B, and in isosceles triangle we know that the two sides are equal, so AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC. Now we assume let AB equal to K, therefore BC is also K, because isosceles triangle both the sides are equal. So if we assume one side equal to K, the another one is also K. Now by Pythagoras theorem we find the hypotenuse, So by Pythagoras theorem this AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, square root of K square plus Q square, which is square root of 2K square, which is equal to root 2, and the square root of K square is K, so root 2K. Clear? Now sin 45, we know sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC, which is K upon root 2K, K and K is cancelled, 1 upon root 2. So the value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Same cos 45 is cos C, this angle is C, okay, and the measurement of this angle C is given 45 degree, it means cos 45 is cos C, base upon hypotenuse, base is BC, hypotenuse is AC, K upon root 2K, again K and K is cancelled, so 1 upon root 2 is left. So the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Clear student? Now tan 45 is tan C, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is AB, base is AC, K upon K, which is equal to 1, and we know that the reciprocal of this sin 45 is cosec 45, which is 1 upon 1 root 2, which is root 2. cos 45 का reciprocal sec 45 हो गया, जिसकी value root 2 हो गई. tan 45 का reciprocal cot 45 हो गया, and the value is 1. So when we are getting the trigonometric ratio of sin 45, cos 45 and tan 45, automatically we know that the reciprocal of all these three ratios are cosec, sec and cot 45, which we get it. Clear student? Now value of trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, so for finding out the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree, we take triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle, and we know that in equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal. Now from the geometry we know that in equilateral triangle all the angles are equal to 60 degree, Now this AD is perpendicular on BC, it means this angle D is 90 degree. Clear? D is 90 degree, this angle is 60 degree, so this one is 30 degree. Okay, because in triangle ADC sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. We know one angle is 90, another one is 60, so 90 plus 60 is 150, 180 minus 150 is 30. So this angle A is 150. Clear? Now we assume that this side is K. Clear? एक साइड हमने एज्यूम कर लिया K, और इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में तीनों साइड भी सेम होती है, तीनों एंगल भी सेम होते हैं. अगर एक साइड हम K एज्यूम कर लेते हैं तो पूरा BC भी K हो गया. इट मीन्स दिस CD, as D is also the AD is perpendicular on BC, it means D bisect the side BC. So this DC is K upon 2 and this BD is also K upon 2, half of K. Clear? Half of the side BC, which is half of K. So when we take triangle ADC, we know hypotenuse side and the base side. So by Pythagoras theorem we find out AD. So when we are finding out AD, we are getting AD equal to root 3 upon 2K. Same किस तरह से फाइंड करेंगे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम? हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. ठीक है, उससे हमें AD क्या मिल जाएगा? रूट 3 अपॉन 2K. Again we find sin 30. साइन 30 दिस वन, इट मीन साइन एंगल ए। तो हमारा ए डी क्या हो जाएगा, अगर हम साइन एंगल ए 30 डिग्री निकाल रहे हैं तो हमारा ए डी बेस हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर हम साइन 60 निकालेंगे तो हमारा सी डी बेस हो जाएगा, ये आप ध्यान में रखिएगा। तो अभी हम पहले 30 डिग्री निकालेंगे, साइन 30, कॉस 30, टैन 30 और उसी का रेसिप्रोकल कोसेक 30, सेक 30 एंड कॉट 30। सो व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग दिस एंगल ए 30 degree, then AD is base and CD is perpendicular. So sin 30 is 1/2, cos 30 is √3/2, same formula of trigonometric ratios. Sin 30 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so we are getting 1/2, cos 30 is √3/2, tan 30 is 1/√3, and the reciprocal of sin, cos and tan is cosec, sec and cot. Clear student? In the same way we find sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, and the reciprocal of that one is cosec, sec and cot. Clear student? Now we see, after finding out these standard angles of all the trigonometric ratios, now we see the table. This table helps you, okay, for solving the exercise. Student, now we see the trigonometric table. We have find the angle of 30 degree and 45 degree. In the same way we find angle 0 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we make this table in which these are representing the name of the ratios and these are the angles. 0 degree, 30 degree or pi upon 6. Pi upon 6 means 180 divided by 6, which is 30 degree. 45 degree or pi upon 4. 180 upon 4 is again 45 degree. 60 degree or pi upon 3, 180 upon 3 is 60 degree, 90 degree or pi upon 2, pi is 180, 180 divided by 2 is 90. Clear? So how you will read? Sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is 1/2, sin 45 degree is 1/√2, sin 60 degree is √3/2, sin 90 degree is 1. Clear? Cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is √3/2, cos 45 degree is 1/√2, cos 60 degree is 1/2 and cos 90 is 0. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degree is 1/√3, tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree is √3 and tan 90 degree is not defined. Clear? Understood student? There is one more method of learning which is very easy. You learn only the trigonometry ratio of the standard angles of sine. सिर्फ साइन का अगर आप लर्न कर लोगे तो बाकी सारे ऑटोमेटिकली आप टेबल फॉर्म कर सकते हो। साइन देखिए, जो एंगल है वो 0 और 1 के बीच में है, 0 और 1 के बीच में। आपका जो 30 डिग्री है 1/2, 45 डिग्री इज़ 1/√2, 60 डिग्री इज़ √3/2। क्लियर? अगर आपने साइन का लर्न कर लिया कि 0 और 1 के बीच में 30, 45 और 60 डिग्री का मेजरमेंट दिया 1/2, 1/√2 एंड √3/2, तो आप कॉस का ऑटोमेटिक लिख सकते हो। जिस तरह से साइन आप 0 to 90 में मूव किए, 90 से अगर आप 0 की तरफ मूव करोगे तो आपका कॉस का हो जाएगा। ये देखिए 1, √3/2, 1/√2, 1/2 एंड 0. Easy. And if you divide, when you divide sin upon cos, you will get 10. Sin upon cos क्या होता है? tan होता है। अगर 0 divided by 1 is 0, 1/2 divided by √3/2 is 1/√3, 1/√2 divided by 1/√2 is 1, √3/2 divided by 2, √3/2 divided by 1/2 is √3, 1 divided by 0 is not defined. Clear? और इनके जो रेसिप्रोकल हो गए, साइन का रेसिप्रोकल कोसेक हो गया, कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल सेक हो गया, टैन का रेसिप्रोकल कॉट हो गया। इस तरह से हम इनके तीनों रेसिप्रोकल की भी वैल्यूज़ स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स की निकाल सकते हैं। वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट, आई होप दिस इज़ द बेस्ट way of learning this trigonometry table. Clear? Now we see the exercise based on this table. Exercise 2 of your textbook. Write the value for theta equal to 30 degree. If the angle is 30 degree is given, then you have to find cos theta. It means in place of 30 you have to write angle measure which is given. So cos 30 according to table it is √3/2. Tan 30 is 1/√3. See, tan 30 is 1/√3. कोसेक 30 इज 2. अब देखिए आपका साइन 30 क्या था 1/2, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या हुआ कोसेक So 2 upon 1 is 2. Sin 2 theta, sin 2 into 30, 2 30s are 60, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 3 theta, cos 3 into 30, it means cos 90, which is 0. Clear? Question number 4a, if 2 sin theta equal to root 3 and 0 degree less than equal to theta less than equal to 90 degree, find theta. Given 2 sin theta equal to root 3, therefore sin theta equal to root 3 upon 2. अब sin theta root 3 upon 2 कब था? जब आपका एंगल क्या था? 60 डिग्री. When angle is 60 degree, so it means theta is 60 degree. Question number C, if root 2 cos theta equal to 1, cos theta is 1 upon root 2 और cos theta के टेबल में 1 upon root 2 कब था? जब आपका एंगल क्या था? 45 डिग्री. So theta is 45 degree. Question number 5b, if root 2 sin theta is greater than equal to 1, what is the least acute angle theta? Acute angle जो आपको मिलेगा, it means less than 90 degree. Acute angle, we know that the acute angle is always in between 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, so it is given that root 2 sin theta is greater than equal to 1, it means sin theta is greater than equal to 1 upon root 2 और sin theta आपका greater than equal to 1 upon root 2 की वैल्यू कब है? इक्वल भी है, देखिए इक्वल की भी साइन है, तो 1 अपॉन रूट 2 कब आ रहा है आपका साइन में? जब आपकी एंगल क्या है? 45 डिग्री. सो थीटा इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री एज साइन 45 डिग्री इज 1 अपॉन रूट 2. सो साइन थीटा इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू साइन 45 डिग्री. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड and it is very easy. So practice these questions in your mathematics copy, and in next video we will see next questions of the same exercise. Thank you.